Hello guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is dedicated for those consumers who is using Samsung Android smartphone. And if your Samsung Android smartphone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock, and if you have completed your hard reset process, then after when you will switch on your smartphone, you will get a such type of display. And here you will get welcome, language option, start option, emergency call option. So when you will go with this start process and follow all these steps, then you can see where you are stuck in all this process. I am going to show you here. One more thing I would like to tell you before starting this method, make sure your phone battery should be charged at least to 10%. So when you will go with this all this process, you will come here and you will get an option that will ask you your pin pattern or password log. Or if you don't have remember your pin pattern and password log, that's why you completed your hard reset process. So you will get another option here. You can see here showing here use my Google account. Instead you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option, after that you can see here it's asking your Gmail ID and password. You can see here. So if you have your Gmail ID and password, then you can easily access all this process on here. But if you don't have remember your Gmail ID and password, then you can't bypass this page. Okay, and without bypass this page, you can't access your smartphone and switch on your smartphone. Okay, so this lock is known as FRP lock, and this FRP lock is generated by the Google to secure a smartphone when your phone is stolen. Okay, so it's most important to unlock your FRP lock. Okay, so for this I'm going to give you some special tips and tricks by which you can easily bypass your FRP here. So for this you don't have to do any more difficult process. Simply you will have to reach to the starting page. Here you can see here this is the starting page. Here firstly you will have to change your language option from English India to English US. Then after you will have to click on this OK option. After that you will get an option that will show here emergency call. Simply you will have to click on this option and you will have to dial a special USSD code, that is the star hash 0 star hash. And when you will click on this star hash 0 star hash, you will get lots of option on this page. But here you will have to go to the option that will show here sensor. You will have to click on the sensor option, and when you will go to the sensor option, your phone display will show some synchronizing option like X axis, Y axis and Z axis. You don't have to do anything on this page. Here you will have to wait for 5 second minimum, and maximum there is no limit. Okay, so when your 5 second will be done, simply you will have to go to the back option, and after that you will have to select the option that will show here version option. And when you will click on this version option, here your phone's some different version will show on your phone display like model, CSC, CPU, AP, and you don't have to do anything with these options. You will have to wait here again for minimum 5 seconds. Then after you will have to go to the back option, and again you will have to reach to the start option. Okay, here. Okay, now after that you will have to click to the start option here, and you will have to select agree to all and go to the agree option. Okay, and after that you will have to go to the agree option. Okay, now one more thing I would like to tell you, what I have forgot to tell you. The thing is that your phone should be connected to the Wi-Fi network, because in this FRP bypass method your phone should be connected to the Wi-Fi network. Without Wi-Fi network you can't access this method. Okay, so make sure your phone should be connected to the Wi-Fi network. So you can see here I have connected my Samsung Android smartphone to the Wi-Fi. Okay, now after that you will have to switch on your phone's TalkBack option, and for this simply you will have to press the power button and the volume up button same time, press, hold and release. Then after your phone's TalkBack option will be switch on your phone. So I'm going to show you. You can see here, press, hold and release. Now after that you will have to tap on this use option, and again you will have to do the same here. Now after that you will have to draw a opposite L, and you will have to tap on this while using the app. Double tap here. Now here you will have to double tap use voice command. Now open Google Assistant, open settings. Now when your setting options will be appear on your phone display, then after you will have to make sure that your phone's TalkBack should be switch off, and for this you will have to repeat the previous process, power button and the volume up button, press, release. Okay, and now you can see here setting option is showing here you will have to make some changes, and firstly you will have to go to the option that will show here lock screen. You can see here the first option is showing here screen lock type. When I go to tap on this option, you can see here it's not open and it's not getting open here, so you don't can't do anything with this option. So simply you will have to scroll down and you will have to go to the face recognition option. Okay, and after that you will get a continue pop-up at the bottom of this page. Simply you will have to tap on this, and after that when the next page will come, you will have to click on this continue 5 times. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, now after that simply you will have to go to the previous option and you will have to choose the second option that will show here fingerprint. Simply you will have to tap on this, and again you will have to repeat the process that will continue 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, now after that you will have to go to the previous okay, and you will have to click on this about lock screen option. And when you will tap on this lock screen option, you will have to tap on this open source license. Click on this option. Now here you can see here you will get a web address. Simply you will have to click on this you will have to copy this web address here. Press hold and copy this web address. Okay, after copy you will have to go to the back option here, back, and you will have to exit from setting option, close this. Okay, now after that you will have to click on this add network option, and after that here you will have to click on this view more option. You will have to go to the static. You will have to change here IP, that is 888 dot. You will have to tap the same here in gateway. You will have to tap the same 24, and DNS should be the same 8.8.8.8, and DNS2 would be the same 8.8.4.4. Okay, then all the things has been done. Now after that you don't have to do anything. Simply you will have to go to the previous. Again you will have to go to the add network, and you will have to click on this setting option. Now here firstly you will have to scroll down here and you will have to tap on this reset to default setting, and you will have to click on this reset keyboard setting, reset this one. You will have to click on this erase personalized prediction, and you will have to erase this option. Then after you will have to go to the back option here. Then you will have to go to the option in language and types, and you will have to select this manage input language. Now here you will have to select all the English whatever will show on this page. Simply you can see here English UK, English US, then the another English option is showing here. You will have to select all where the English will be show. Okay, then after you will have to go to the back option. Again you will have to go to the back here. Now you will have to go to the option that will show here text shortcut. You will have to tap on this add option, and you will have to tap here. You will have to type here all Samsung SAMSUNG FRP remove. Okay, then after you will have to select the second one, and you will have to paste that web address that you had copied in setting option, and you will have to paste here. Okay, then you will have to tap on this add. Then after you will have to go to the back option. Now my friend, all the settings has been done. Now after that you will have to again reach to the starting page. Now after that you will have to click on this start option, agree to all, go to the agree. Okay, now you will have to uncheck here nearby device options. Then after you will have to go to the agree. Okay, now after that you will have to click on this next option. So here it will show you two options, don't copy and next. So simply you will have to select this don't copy option. So my friend, you can see here you're getting here a skip option. I mean to say where you had a stuck in Gmail ID and password where it was asking as a FRP lock. Now you can see here FRP lock has been removed. I mean to say FRP has been completely bypassed in this method. Now you will get a skip option, and simply with the help of some tips and tricks you can also get a skip option on this page. Now after that you don't have to do anything. Simply you will have to tap on this skip option, skip this page. Now go to the accept. If you want to use new pin pattern and password lock, face recognition, fingerprint, then you may use these options from here. But for right now I will skip this page here, skip anyway. Now after that go to the next, OK. Now go to the next, skip this page, skip here. So here you will get option that it will show you your all setup, and you will get a pop-up of finish. Simply you will have to tap on this. Okay, agree. Now here it will ask you to select a language. You can also skip here, but I will suggest you select a single language, then go to the next option. Go to the continue. Here it will ask you to select a gender, so select your gender and go to the next. You can also skip this, but I will suggest you select your gender and add as criteria. Then after you will have to go to the install option, finish. So here you can see, my friend, my Samsung Android smartphone has been completely unlocked, and I have showed you that how you can easily bypass your FRP lock from your Samsung Android smartphone. Because after hard reset, when your factory data reset of your smartphone, when you will switch on your phone, you will get a such type of welcome pop-up, and after that you will have to set up your all your Samsung phone. Then you will get a problem and you can stuck here there when the Gmail ID and password will be asked there. And how you can bypass this method of Gmail ID and password I had showed you in this video. So if your phone is also, I mean to say Samsung Android smartphone is also stuck in FRP lock, then you can also use this video to unlock your Samsung Android smartphone like FRP bypass code. Okay, so thank you so much. If your phone is also unlocked with the help of this method, then do the like this video. And if your phone if you are stuck in this method, then make us comment where you're stuck in this method. Our team will definitely respond you with the help of comments. Thank you so much.